Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today we're going to be working on a 2014 Grand Caravan. So in this video we're going to be replacing the transmission fluid, which does require you to replace the transmission filter. This is the part number from Mopar. I recommend that you get the Mopar transmission filter, it's better. And then for the gasket, I'm going ahead with the Permatex Black, the right stuff, and it's a 1-minute sit. So let's go ahead and get started. So on the driver's side of the vehicle, this is your transmission, and this is your transmission fluid pan. From the factory, Mopar or FHC does not put a drain plug in this, so you'll actually be removing the bolts around the outside. The best bet is, of course, you're going to have your fluid container down here. You want to take off the back ones and loosen the front ones, allowing the fluid to drain out into the pan. Let that happen for a little bit, then go ahead and undo these bolts and slowly lower it down and let the fluid go into your pan. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I won't have to tell you. We're going to speed through that. Filter. Now it's only held in with 2 Torx bits, and this will leak out. Okay. So there we go. Now we got a cool look inside this transmission, which of course won't stop leaking it off. To clean up the mating surface, you are definitely going to want to make sure that you have all the silicone gasket maker off. So here's the pan. I haven't cleaned off the gasket, which of course that you do, but this is the magnet, and it should pop right out. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of material on that magnet. The issue with this vehicle is it's slipping. Yeah, see, I don't know if you can get a good focus. Focus! 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 Come on, focus on it. So this is all metal grit from the transmission. You definitely want to clean that off. This vehicle has 108,000 miles. The service interval for this vehicle is every 2 years or 24,000 miles. That's when you're supposed to do a transmission flush, and we're not sure if that's ever been done. So we're going to clean this off. We're going to clean out the inside. We're going to clean the gasket off. We're going to continue to let it drain, and then we're going to get this thing put back on. Alright, see you guys in a second. Okay, so now we got our new filter, and we're going to go ahead and set it up inside the car. And it only goes in one way. Just got a few. Goes in here. You've got this here. And it just pushes right in. So this is how I put the gasket on. Looks like that. You don't really need a lot. Let's go ahead and put this back on the car. So about here next to your battery, down on the transmission, there's a dipstick tube right here that has a cap on it that says dealer only, because they want you to take it to a dealer so that you'll pay to have them do it. You don't need to. I'm going to put a link in the description for a video by Southmainauto where Eric the car guy shows you how to take your oil dipstick tube to create a transmission dipstick tube out of the same dipstick. That's the way you're going to want to do it. You're going to fill it up. You're going to cycle it through your gears. You're going to check it to make sure that it's full or not. If you have to add more, you have to add more. If you don't, you don't, then you're fine. But I'm going to end this video here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell notification, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.